What if the money in your wallet could do more than just buy things? What if it could work for you, grow on its own, and open up a world of new opportunities? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, a domain that's redefining the traditional concept of money. This isn't just about a digital version of the coins jingling in your pocket. It's about an entirely new financial system, one that's decentralized, borderless, and ripe with potential. Imagine a world where financial transactions are not bound by geographical restrictions or banking hours, where you have complete control over your wealth. That's the promise of cryptocurrency. This is more than just a digital currency. It's a revolution in the way we perceive and use money. Cryptocurrency has the potential to shift the power dynamics in the global economy. It can democratize finance, making it accessible to everyone, everywhere. Imagine a future where your money is more than just a means of exchange. It's a tool for growth and innovation. Before we dive into the future of crypto, first understand what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is digital or virtual money. It's like the cash or credit card we use, but with a significant twist. It exists online only, and it's not issued or regulated by any central authority, such as a government or financial institution. This means it's decentralized, free from control or interference from traditional power structures. Now, how does it work? Each unit of cryptocurrency, often referred to as a coin or token, is essentially a file stored in a digital wallet. You can send or receive these coins between wallets, with each transaction recorded in a public ledger known as a blockchain. Blockchain technology is the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a complex mathematical algorithm that ensures the security and transparency of every transaction. Why is this different from traditional money? Well, when you transfer traditional money, say from your bank account to a friend's, the bank verifies and processes the transaction. But with cryptocurrencies, there's no bank. Instead, a network of computers across the globe validates the transaction using the blockchain. This process is called mining, and those who do it are called miners. The decentralization aspect of cryptocurrency is what truly sets it apart. It's not just about being a form of money, it's about redefining the concept of money itself. It's about creating a financial system that's open, transparent, and accessible to everyone, no matter where they are in the world. It's about shifting the power from the hands of a few to the hands of many. So the next time you look at a dollar bill, remember that its digital counterpart could be much more powerful. Cryptocurrency didn't appear overnight. It's a product of years of evolution and innovation. The story of cryptocurrency begins in 2008 with a person, or perhaps a group of people, known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto penned the Bitcoin white paper, introducing the world to a system of peer-to-peer digital cash called Bitcoin. This was a revolutionary idea, a digital currency untethered from any national bank or government. Bitcoin was the first, but it certainly wasn't the last. The success of Bitcoin ignited a spark that led to a flurry of innovation. Developers, entrepreneurs, and visionaries saw the potential in blockchain, the technology underpinning Bitcoin, and began to create their own cryptocurrencies, commonly referred to as altcoins. Each of these altcoins brought something new to the table. Ethereum, for instance, introduced smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This opened up a world of possibilities, from decentralized finance to tokens representing real-world assets. As the years rolled on, the number of cryptocurrencies exploded. Today, there are thousands of them, each with its own unique proposition. We've seen the rise of privacy coins like Monero, which emphasize anonymity, and stable coins like Tether, designed to reduce volatility by pegging their value to a reserve of assets. The evolution of cryptocurrency has been shaped by both technology and societal trends. Issues like privacy concerns, mistrust in traditional banking systems, and the desire for financial inclusion have all played a part in pushing this digital revolution forward. The world of cryptocurrency is a dynamic one, continually adapting and innovating. It's a space where the impossible becomes possible, where the rules of the game are constantly being rewritten. And it's not just about money. Cryptocurrency is about more than just transactions. It's about creating a more transparent, more democratic financial system. A system where the power lies not with the banks or the governments, but with the people. Just as the first coins and banknotes were a revolution in their time, cryptocurrency represents a new chapter in the story of money. Cryptocurrency isn't just about replacing old forms of money. It's about creating new opportunities. Imagine a world where you can enter into a contract with someone without the need for a middleman. That's the beauty of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts, with the terms of the agreement directly written into lines of code. They offer a level of transparency, security, and efficiency that traditional contracts just can't match. But they're not without their challenges. The code is the law in the world of smart contracts, and if it contains a flaw, it could lead to unexpected consequences that can't be easily reversed. Now let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. This is a system where financial products become available on a public decentralized blockchain network, making them open to anyone to use, rather than going through middlemen like banks or brokers. DeFi could potentially democratize finance, making it more accessible to the masses, but it's still a nascent field and there are plenty of hurdles to overcome, like regulatory issues and the risk of smart contract failures. Finally, let's move on to tokenization. This is the process of converting rights to an asset into a digital token on a blockchain. Imagine owning a piece of an artwork, a real estate property, or even a company, all represented by tokens on a blockchain. Tokenization could revolutionize investment, making it more democratic and accessible. But there are still many legal and regulatory challenges that need to be addressed before it can reach its full potential. These are just a few examples of the potential of cryptocurrency. It's not just about using Bitcoin to buy a cup of coffee. It's about redefining how we interact with money and assets. It's about creating a more transparent, efficient, and inclusive financial system. But like with any new technology, there will be challenges to overcome. There will be bumps along the road. But the potential is there, and it's enormous. Cryptocurrency isn't just a new kind of money. It's a new kind of financial system. Like any new technology, cryptocurrency comes with its share of risks and challenges. Let's start with the first risk, volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly in a very short period. One day, you're celebrating a significant profit. The next, you're nursing a considerable loss. This volatility can be thrilling for some, but it's not for the faint of heart. It requires a robust risk management strategy and a cool head to navigate these choppy waters. Next up, regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies operate in a relatively new and unregulated space. The rules of the game can change quickly and without warning. In some parts of the world, governments have even banned cryptocurrencies altogether. It's a shifting landscape that requires constant vigilance and adaptability. Then, there's the issue of security. While blockchain technology itself is incredibly secure, the platforms and wallets that hold your cryptocurrency may not be. Cybercriminals are always on the prowl, looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities and steal your hard-earned crypto. It's crucial to use reputable platforms, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your private keys safe. And of course, there's the challenge of understanding the technology itself. Cryptocurrency isn't just about buying low and selling high. It's a complex field that combines elements of economics, computer science, and game theory. To truly succeed in this space, you need to understand what you're dealing with. That means doing your homework, staying up to date with the latest developments, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. It's also worth noting that while there are risks, there are also opportunities. Many individuals and businesses have found success in the world of crypto. But as with any investment, the potential for returns comes with a level of risk. While the future of cryptocurrency is promising, it's important to approach it with an open mind and a healthy dose of caution. Remember, the key to navigating the crypto world is to stay informed, be patient, and always do your due diligence. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency? There's no crystal ball that can provide a definitive answer, but we can certainly explore some of the trends and developments that might shape the future of this digital financial frontier. First up, regulatory changes. Governments around the world are scrambling to understand and regulate cryptocurrencies. These policies will play a crucial role in determining the future of crypto. If regulations become too stringent, it could stifle innovation and adoption. However, if they're well crafted, they could provide a stable environment for cryptocurrencies to flourish and gain mainstream acceptance. Next, technological advancements. As with any technology, cryptocurrencies are continually evolving. We're seeing the development of new protocols and platforms that could revolutionize the way we use crypto. For instance, advancements in quantum computing could potentially disrupt the cryptographic systems that underpin cryptocurrencies, requiring new, more secure systems to be developed. Then, we have shifts in public perception. Cryptocurrencies started as a niche interest for tech enthusiasts, but have since exploded into the mainstream. As more people become familiar with the concept, we might see a shift in how cryptocurrencies are perceived. The more people understand and trust in cryptocurrencies, the more likely they are to use them, which could lead to widespread adoption. Finally, we must consider the role of economic factors. Cryptocurrencies offer an alternative to traditional financial systems, and their success could be influenced by economic conditions. For example, during times of economic instability, people might turn to cryptocurrencies as a safe haven. The future of cryptocurrency is uncertain, but one thing is clear: it's here to stay. With every passing day, cryptocurrency is proving its resilience and potential. It might be a wild ride, but it's one that's worth watching. So buckle up and let's see where the future takes us. You might be wondering, what does all this mean for me? Well, let's dive into it. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and varied. It's not just about investing. Yes, buying and trading digital currencies is one way to get involved, but it's far from the only option. Imagine yourself as a pioneer exploring the frontier of a new digital age. You may choose to become a developer, helping to create the next generation of blockchain technologies. By doing so, you could shape the very foundation of how our future digital economy operates, or perhaps your interests lie in the world of finance. You might decide to participate in the growing field of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This sector is reshaping our financial system, creating a more inclusive and transparent environment. Beyond investing and developing, there's another crucial role you can play: that of an informed citizen. The crypto space is constantly evolving. Staying informed about the latest developments is key. You could become a crypto advocate, educating others about the potential and pitfalls of this technology. Remember, every technological revolution needs people who understand it, believe in it, and are willing to push it forward. The internet wouldn't have reached its current form without early adopters who saw its potential and were willing to take risks. And that's exactly where we are with cryptocurrency. It's a brave new world, and it's waiting for you to explore. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a financial guru to get involved. All you need is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a bit of adventurous spirit. So, why not take the leap? Start exploring the world of crypto. Read the latest news, join online communities, take a course, or even start your own crypto project. The crypto revolution is just getting started, and you have the opportunity to be a part of it. As we wrap up, remember this: cryptocurrency isn't just about money, it's about the future. We've journeyed together through the landscape of cryptocurrency, from its humble beginnings to its vast potential for the future. It's a world that's continually evolving, brimming with innovation and potential. Cryptocurrency has the power to reshape our financial systems and society as a whole, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure than ever before. We delved into the basics, the nuts and bolts of blockchain technology, and the principles of decentralization that underpin cryptocurrencies. We explored how these digital currencies have evolved over time, from Bitcoin's emergence in 2009 as the first decentralized cryptocurrency to the multitude of coins and tokens we see today. We've also looked at the potential of cryptocurrency, its ability to democratize finance, and how it could foster financial inclusion, especially in parts of the world where traditional banking services are scarce or non-existent. Cryptocurrency can open doors, break down barriers, and empower individuals and communities. But as with all opportunities, there are risks and challenges. We need to be mindful of the volatility in the crypto market, the regulatory uncertainties, and the potential for misuse. These are not reasons to shy away, but rather, they are calls to action for us to educate ourselves, to stay informed, and to navigate this brave new world with caution and wisdom. And then, there's the exciting part, the future of crypto. It's a future filled with possibilities, from decentralized finance and smart contracts to tokenized assets and beyond. It's a future where you and I can play a role, whether as investors, developers, or advocates for change. So here we are, at the crossroads of finance and technology, looking ahead at a future that's ripe with opportunity. It's a future that's not set in stone, but one that we can shape and mold. So keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for the next big crypto opportunities. The future is in your hands.